Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. A very quick Blender Octane tutorial today. I keep saying that, I need to think of a better intro. But this is the Rayswitch node, and it's incredibly powerful, but it does have a couple of pitfalls, and hopefully I can show you this. So as you can see, I have the Cezanne head, and in the reflection, it's a completely different colour. Now you can do this in cycles, so it's nothing magic. Well, it is kinda, but anyway. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is using the Rayswitch node. And I've turned everything off, I've put everything at 0, and I've made the reflection rate 1, because, well, it's a reflection. Now, you can maybe change the colour of a shadow, this is where it can be powerful. But all I'm doing here is, I'm just grabbing a mixed texture, and I'm setting the values with an RGB, it could be an image or whatever, so maybe you want to reflect a different image in the mirror, that could come in handy as well. But I'm just driving this right into diffuse, and that is pretty much it. But I wanted to highlight one, not a flaw, it's technically working accurate. As you can see here, in the reflection of the glossy material, it's actually picking up the secondary colour. It's picking up the RGB colour, so I can quickly change this. So just be aware of that when you're using something like the Rayswitch node. That might be the intention that you're actually wanting. Perhaps you actually want to change the reflection colour, so just be aware of that. And that is the Rayswitch node. It's really easy to use. Anyway, do me a favour guys, take it easy.